In this example, we are going to find the vertical asymptotes of the function. This is, continuing with rational functions. All right, I'll have x minus 1 over x plus 3. So what we do is we look for numbers that make the denominator 0 Why? Because when you divide by 0, you have something undefined. And that's where you get these vertical asymptotes. But the numerator not 0. So you just check afterwards. You just sort of look at it. Now, if the numerator and the denominator are both 0, then you'll get cancellation. And you don't get a vertical asymptote. So for the answer here, the line x equals -3. Note the domain is r take away -3. So vertical asymptotes go along with the question of what the domain is. And as an explanation, I want to show you that what's going on with this problem is that if I put in a number close to -3, this fraction will become very large. So say I put in x equals -2.999. That's close to 3. It's close, what I meant to say, it's close to -3. So I put that in there, and this is going to do the job. I mean, I think this will show us why I'm saying that we have a vertical asymptote. Assuming I can figure out how to add these numbers. Okay, so this, the numerator, that's -3.9999, which is almost 4. The denominator is going to be 0.001. That's what I'm worried that I added that up wrong, but yeah, I got that. And that's the same thing then is, see, I can move the decimal over 3 places, so I'm gonna get 3999, sort of a big number. And that was sort of arbitrary. Now, if I added more 9s on there and got even close to -3, I would get something that's even bigger. And this shows that as x approaches -3, y becomes large. In this case, now I'm going to get in a little calculus notation. X approaches -3, but actually we're going to approach a number on the number line that's to the right of that. And what happens to y? Y becomes really big when we write -infinity. Sort of, that's something we'll do in the calculus class. We're not going to really do that very much here, showing that notation. But this problem we can do, notice this is an explanation. Let's go back to what we have over here. The problem. You look at this, you find -3 plus 3 is 0. That's your vertical asymptote. It's really quick. Just double check that -3 minus 1 is not 0. Okay, so you just, it's a very short problem. I made it longer. -3 plus 3 is 0. Why did I make it longer? Because I wrote down a bunch of explanation.